We begin with Senator judges engaging in a heated procedural debate over manifestations in the impeachment trial of Vice President Sara Duterte. Tensions flared at the session's onset, sparked by a speech from Robin Hood Padilla. This is the big story tonight from mobile journalist Arles de los Santos.
Huwag po nating gamitin ang oras ng impeachment court sa pagpapaliwanag o sa pagtatanggol ng ating mga sarili.
On day 7 of the VP's historic trial, Senator Judge Erwin Tulfo publicly urged his colleagues to avoid using valuable court time to defend themselves from unrelated personal issues. He stressed the impeachment tribunal is not the proper forum for such matters. Tulfo cited manifestations over the past few days that had nothing to do with efforts to oust the Vice President.
Yung oras po na ito dapat ilaan natin sa pakikinig sa depensa ng Vice Presidente, sa mga akusasyon laban sa Vice Presidente, hindi po pagdidepensa sa mga sarili natin kung tayo inaakusahan ng kung anong mga ahensya.
Tulfo advised fellow senator judges there are other means such as media interviews or social media to discuss concerns unrelated to the trial.
Let us do this impeachment trial as quickly as possible. If we have to clear the Vice President, then let's clear her. If we have to prosecute, then prosecute her with the evidence kung meron. This is not the right forum, Mr. Presiding Officer.
Kindly wind up,
Mr. Senate
Senator
President.
Judge Erwin Tulfo.
This is not the right forum for us to defend ourselves. Bring it somewhere else. Bring it to the press. Bring it to the social media, but not here. Thank you, Mr. President.
Tulfo spoke out after Senator Judge Robin Hood Padilla's manifestation, denying the ombudsman's statement he did not submit a counter-affidavit for an obstruction of justice complaint. Padilla and Senator Judge Alan Peter Cayetano are among the respondents of that complaint. Cayetano was next to stand up, speaking further arguments on courtroom procedure.
The integrity of the court and the justices or judges is always relevant. So if the Supreme Court or COMELEC, Court of Tax Appeals, Sandigan Bayan is being heard and the judges are being threatened, you give them time. So we cannot take the impeachment out of context. So I'm just saying, Senator Padilla just stood up to say, sumusunod siya sa batas, tapos. Kaya humaba to dahil nga hindi importante ata dito yung integrity ng judge. Lastly, sabi ni Senator Joker Arroyo, it is useless to argue a legal point with a non-lawyer.
I do not have 4 years of law, but I have 29 years of lawmaking. And I move that the manifestations of that we have heard be referred to the Senate proper.
In the end, presiding officer Senator Chis Escudero decided that Padilla's statements would remain part of the court record. However, they would be referred to the Senate proper.
The chair rules that the manifestation of Senator Judge Padilla shall remain in the records, but referred to the Senate as a legislative body where it may be taken up. I ask the indulgence of the parties to this case. Wala po kasi kaming session. Ito lang po ang pagkakataong nakakapagsalita at nagkikita-kita kami habang recess kami. Pero umaasa ako, within hearing distance of my colleagues, na kapag nag-resume na po ang Senado sa susunod na linggo matapos ang sona ng Pangulo, may pagkakataon na po ang bawat miyembro ng Senado bilang senador, hindi bilang senator judge, na mailabas yung mga hinaing.
We wasted 26 minutes for nothing. Thank you po.
After almost half an hour of back and forth, the impeachment trial then formally began for the day. Kapatid Arles de los Santos, we are One News.